Yeah,
we
we were.
Kilala kasi, kilala ko kanina, artista eh. Yeah, of course, I remember you, madam.
Remember, I was here with my sisters and we were giving you a donation and
Yeah.
you said you were okay, so...
Yeah, yung para sa mga complainants.
Right. So right now, my sisters and I decided to get 2 sorbeteros. And
Sorbeteros.
we have ice cream good for 700 people.
Oh my
And so we'll be
goodness.
serving ice cream to your complainants. And my other sister is bringing some coffee. So we have something mainit and malamig
Wow,
for
so,
them today.
Luxury na po yan.
Yeah.
Para sa mga complainants.
Oh, we're so happy to do this. You know, you've inspired us to do so much good for our kababayans. And so, you know, we're just so happy to be able to do this for them.
Ma'am, in behalf of my complainants, taos puso pong aming pasasalamat. Sana one of these days, ikaw po ang maging presidente ng Pilipinas.
Ikaw muna.
You will
Kayo
spread-
muna.
You will spread love. Kapag kayo po'y tumakbo sa anumang
Oh my goodness.
pwesto sa gobyerno,
ganito na lang po.
I will give you my 101%. Di ba?
Ganito na lang po.
Galing.
Kayo ang presidente, ako yung vice president. It's happened before, it's happening now.
Oh.
But we will get along.
Oh, siyempre. Kita niyo lang po, ano? Mayaman, mabait, maganda, at generous.
No, but we learned it all from watching you.
Thank you
My
po.
sisters
Thank
and I.
you.
So thank you. Thank you for all the
Mabuhay po kayo,
lessons.
madam. Thank you. Give it to her. Palakpakan natin. Okay. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay.
I want to talk in Tagalog, but it's such a beautiful language. It's so beautiful, but when I talk in Tagalog, it doesn't turn out beautiful.
Oh,
Nahihiya na ako.
kasi lumaki ho kayo na English yung ginagamit yung pananalita sa bahay, sa lahat, di ba?
Yeah.
So, they will understand.
But you know, whether it's English or Tagalog, if your heart is for the people,
Yes.
right, then we
Yes.
share the same thing, right?
Right. Saka isa pa, lahat naman ng Pilipino nakakaintindi ng English. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, tayo yung third world's English-speaking country.
Right.
So, kahit na grade 1, nakakaintindi
Kaya
ng...
tiyak makakatawid din si Miss Joanne. Kahit hindi pa naman.
In
I'll
fact,
survive.
lahat ng mga candidate natin sa mga beauty pageants sa mga
Yes.
Miss Universe, hindi tayo kailangan ng translator.
Correct.
Yes, that's
Kasi
right.
naintindihan natin talaga.
Kasi nakakapag-English tayo lahat.
Yes, that's right.
Maski Carabao English yan, mga bata, grade 1, marunong mag-English.
Okay.
Kaya bakit isang dahilan? Maraming dito, naglalagay dito ng yung sa call center, BPO.
Kasi tayo yung magagaling mag-pronounce.
Magagaling tayo mag-English, magaling tayo mag-pronounce.
Mag-English, yes.
At dapat ito si ma'am, magmamayari siya ng call center. Pag nagmayari ka ng call center, marami akong may rekomenda.
Di ba, no? Additional na naman yung trabaho para sa mga kababayan natin.
Oo,
Lalo na yung mga lumalapit sa'yo, di ba, Raf?
Pwede,
No.
pwede. Sige po, ma'am.
Okay, so we will
Thank you.
start already. Thank you,
Thank
Raf.
you. At saka siya nga pala, mga kapatid, siya po ay isang socialite.
No, I'm not a socialite.
Alta Sociedad.
No.
Hindi, totoo naman yan.
No, I'm a writer for the Philippine Star.
I
And
know.
that's our sister company, right?
Actually, kapatid ko po siya dahil
Yes,
kapatid sa
correct.
hanap buhay dahil sa Philippine Star. Philippine Star is part of the MVP group of companies.
Correct.
At humble lang po kasi ito eh. Socialite po ito.
No,
Socialite na humble.
No, and magkakapatid kami kasi we're both chinito with thick eyebrows. O, di ba?
Saludo po, ma'am.
So we're both,
Thank you. Sige. Okay, samahan niyo si ma'am yung pagbibigay ng ice cream sa mga complainant.
Yeah.
And then upload natin sa YouTube mamaya. Okay? Sige, thank you.
Kamusta, ma'am?
Great! We're having so much fun. Thank you for allowing us to do this.
Ano po ba, ma'am, ang nag-udyok sa inyo, ma'am, or nag-push po sa inyo na mamigay po ng ice cream dito sa aming action center, ma'am?
Well, my sisters and I have always been doing outreaches and then we love watching the show and na-inspire kami. We said, why not let's do this and make people happy. We know that a lot of people watch the show and that they wait in line for a long time. So we said, why not make them have an easier time, di ba?
Buti, ma'am, hindi po kayo busy, ma'am, at nagka-oras po kayo sa complainants namin.
I know, we're so happy to do this. So I even brought our people from the office to come because our office girls also wanted to share. We're doing something for them, but they're also doing something for us. Well, me personally, I write for the Philippine Star. Yeah.
So kayo, ma'am, ay talagang avid fan lang po ni Idol Rafi.
I'm watching all the time, me and my sisters. But you know, we're so happy to do this. Thank you for allowing us to do this.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Ma'am Shari po.
Yes, I see you on TV. I'm such a big fan.
Thank you po.
We all are.
Okay.
And
Hi,
my other
ma'am. Good
sister.
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
She's the barista today.
Oh.
You know, we always wanted to do something sana because we're such fans of the show. So, and we know na maraming tao yung nasa labas. Syempre, ngayon bumabagyo. We wanted to give something kasi people, I know they come from far away just to come to the show and to be heard. So, this is our contribution. It's a little contribution really from us that if we can do like every so often, we'll be so happy to do it.
Sarap nang makita na yung ilan po dito mga bata ay may bitbit po na ice cream.
Oh, we're really such fans because, you know, there are a lot of concerns that they're being helped and something's being done about it. And that's good. Hi, Sir Rafi. Keep it up. You're doing such great work. Your team, congratulations.
Sila po ay isang avid supporter ng ating programa ever since. Pakilala natin direct, pakita natin sila. Ayan o, si Ma'am Joy Zapanta del Rosario, Ma'am Joan Zapanta Andrada, at Ma'am Jenny Zapanta. Say hi po kayo.
Hello to everyone. Hello.
Sila po ay mga membro kung tawagin ni Niña Alta Sociedad. Pero napaka-humble po nila. Sila lang po ang nakilala ko na Alta Sociedad pero humble po sila at makamasa po sila. Bakit sila makamasa? Dalawa po eh. Una, nag-offer po sila sa akin ng napakalaking pera, milyon, na tinanggihan ko naman po, nasabi ko na sa inyo dahil sabi ko, that's too much money. Ayoko na pag hinawakan namin yan at hindi naging maganda ang pag-distribute. Then kami pa ang mapupulaan. Buti sana kung yan ay mga 5,000, 10,000 at on the spot meron mga complainant, then payag kami. Pangalawa, pumunta sila dito ngayon, nagbigay po sila ng ice cream sa mga complainant. Kausapin natin sila. Kumusta ka, Ma'am Joanne?
Okay naman po. I'm fine.
You're fine. At
Yeah.
si Ma'am Joanne ay isang kolumnista ng...
Philippine Star.
Ayun. Ano ang pangalan ng column nyo?
Uptown, downtown sa Allure section po.
Alus, pang-social talaga yung society page yun, mga kapatid. Sinong pinakamatanda sa inyo, Miss Joanne?
Ako.
Jenny. Ang bilis naman siya. Bakit itong mga mistisa kayo?
My mom, actually, I don't know. They all just happen to be white.
Yeah, that's
Hindi,
it.
pero yung parents nyo ba, sa parents nyo may lahi?
No, but we're all, Kapampangan,
We're from
100%.
My parents are
100%?
from Pampanga,
100%.
yeah.
Lola,
Both mom and dad?
lolo, both sides.
are
and
100.
Baka yung sa lolo-lolo, Espanyol.
Maybe.
Yes.
Somewhere
That's-
out
yeah.
there. Baka.
Yung column nyo po, everyday?
It's every Sunday.
Every
At
Sunday.
in the Philippine Star Allure section, yeah. Lifestyle and fashion and beauty.
Okay.
That type.
Sunod naman kausapin natin si Miss Joy Zapanta del Rosario. Mama na siyempre yung panganay, the last but not the least. Ma'am Joy, kumusta? Palagi tayo nakikita dito nung palagi siya pupunta rito para magbigay ng suporta, magbigay ng mga bagay na kailangan ng mga complainant. Kumusta po kayo, Ma'am Joy?
Okay naman po.
Siya po, kung hindi niyo tatanong, may bahay ni...
Monsur del Rosario.
Palapakan po natin. Ayun. Wala ho ba kayong balak pumasok sa politics?
Oh no. I'm good sa background po, pero sa harap, hindi ho pwede. Kaya nga, shy ako ngayon. But I just want to say that yung, I was telling Sherry a while ago and I was talking to her na the work that you do
Yes.
and your whole team, it's really a team effort to make all of this possible.
that's true.
And with the team also of my husband, that's why I got attracted to, I became such a fan because I admire such teamwork, such bonding. It doesn't seem like work anymore. Talagang galing sa puso talaga. And you can tell naman eh. And that's what made us want to try to find ways to do something kung pwede. I mean, to show support.
Ayun.
Yeah, and we also wanted to share also that I know that a lot of your listeners are from OFWs and
Yes,
the working
OFW.
class. Yes, but you'll be surprised. There are quite a number of us who listen to your show who come from the other side of town,
Wow.
okay, but who really
I'm
care
very
and who
flattered.
really want to do something, and you inspire us to always want to give back. We know that we're very fortunate, we're very lucky, but but we also are Filipinos, and we consider everyone who is a Filipino as our brother and sister, and we want to reach out, and you give us the inspiration to do it. That's why we wanted to share in our own little way, even if it's something as simple as ice cream or coffee. I know that everybody who comes here, because they have a big problem,
Correct.
right? They come here probably at the worst day of their lives. So if we can do even just a little thing to make them just a little bit happier, then we're really so glad to do it. And we're thanking you for the opportunity you gave us to be able to share our blessings with others.
Maiyak ako niyan. Siyempre, huwag natin kalimutan, the last but not the least, a big hand, applause para kay Ma'am Jenny Zapantay, si pangalan. Ma'am Jenny, bakit sa kabila ng inyong estado kayo magkakapatid, bakit makamasa po kayo?
Makamasa kami dahil, first of all, dito rin kami nakatira sa Philippines. Filipino kami. So, pare-pareho, all of us really. It's just that parang you don't hear masyado from our
Side of
side or whatever you wanna call it. But gusto lang namin mga malaman ng lahat that hindi porke dito ka nakatira or diyan ka nakatira, hindi ka pwede tumulong.
Yeah.
Parang
lahat
lahat,
kasi may mga problema.
yeah, so
So,
parang lahat tayo dapat talaga magkaisa to help each other. Kasi why not?
Is it because yung parents niyo pinalaki kayo ng ganito? Nakatulong di ba yung mga parents ninyo na nung malilit pa nakikita niyo na tumutulong na philanthropist siguro yung mga parents niyo?
No, I think so naman. Kunwari, when we go before sa province,
Yeah.
you know, we'll make friends with the neighbors and buy from the sari-sari store. It was like, you know, it's really, I guess, the nurture kind of upbringing. You want to help other people. And I guess with us, we realize how, I mean, everybody has problems. Lahat po tayo may problema. Pero, I guess sometimes maybe we're luckier that maybe we have a little more resources. Kaya nalulusutan po namin yung problema. Pero the other people who have no voice, when, you know, sometimes when we hear na binubugbog ng asawa, hello, hindi ho yan mangyayari sa amin. Hindi ho kami papayag. Kaya lahat kayo.
Yeah.
Huwag kayong pumayag sa ganyan.
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Palapakan natin.
Hindi po talaga. Yun po talaga. I don't know, it might be a controversial message, but also, kunwari yung mga, I mean, as watching your show, yung kunwari, yung mga babae, they stick to their husbands kasi wala silang choice.
Yeah.
Wala
They're
silang
financially
pera.
dependent.
Wala silang capabilities. Wag ho sana kayong pumayag na ganyan. Sa mga babae po, find your strength and try to be your own person and try lang po. Wag kayong magdepende sa lalaki para pwede kayong kumain, para bumili ng gatas. Sana po, you know, find your own voice. And sana po, Sir Rafi, you can help the other people. And I'm sure you have, and we've watched so many episodes. We're your biggest fans, by
Thank
the
you,
way.
thank
And that's why we're happy that to be supporting you because your vision is fantastic.
Ayun, yan tinatawag na women power. Palapakan natin sila. Ayun. Okay. Salamat,
Thank you
ladies.
so much.
Thank
Salamat
you,
sa
thank
pagpunta.
you.
Salamat
Thank
sa
you.
mga suporta. God bless po.
God bless
Thank you.
Ayun.
Thank you.